Take a look at this if you're flying out of Liverpool Airport. If you want to leave the car at home, let us show you how. First, you'll need to take a train to Liverpool South Parkway. It's about 10 minutes from Lime Street. They're pretty frequent and run between 6am and midnight Monday to Saturday. On Sundays it's more like 8am and midnight. Once you arrive, head for the bus station next door. Don't worry if you have heavy luggage, you'll find lifts you can use as well. You'll need the 80A or the 86A and they leave from stand number 4. When you get on the bus, it's £2 single to the airport. You can pay cash or just tap your bank card. The bus will have you at the terminal in 15 minutes. Follow for more tips on travelling smarter.